The News Services Division of All India Radio brings glimpses of the year that was in our special series Year Ender 2020. COVID-19 pandemic has been the biggest story of the year, and India has seen a fight back against the disease under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When the unprecedented corona pandemic engulfed the world, it threw a challenge not only to medical science but also to humanity as a whole. While science got busy in the twin task of curing the patients with whatever information available about the virus, the humanity was forced to take care of itself with minor aberrations, and the term Corona Warriors came about. Here is more from our correspondent.
1,58,96,093. This is the number of Corona Warriors in India who did their best to help the 130 crore Indians in their struggle against the pandemic. Apart from doctors, they include nurses, ward boys, lab staff, ambulance drivers, sanitation workers, and last but not the least, those who performed the last rites of the dead. Even early phase of social stigma for some of these COVID warriors didn't deter them from their duties towards the humanity. The civil defense volunteers and home guards ensured that those in isolation don't go without food or medicine. The police became humane, showing its different face by helping the people in need. The neighborhood grocery shop owner continued to serve the localities. The pandemic story is not just limited to them. It is also about school teachers who took risk and went out to distribute ration to the poor across the country. Asha and Anganwadi workers, panchayats were also out to serve the people in need. Then there were lakhs of other Samaritans who on their own went out looking for the hungry and needy to help. A grateful nation led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to these Corona warriors in his address to the nation on Independence Day.
इस कोरोना के कालखंड में लक्षावधि कोरोना वॉरियर्स, चाहे डॉक्टर हो, नर्सिंग हो, सफाई कर्मी हो, एम्बुलेंस चलाने वाले लोग हो, उन लोगों ने इतने लंबे समय तक जिस प्रकार से सेवा परमो धर्मः इस मंत्र को जी करके दिखाया है, ऐसे सभी कोरोना वॉरियर्स को मैं नमन करता हूं.
Nilima Sharad Shingde, senior nursing supervisor at AIIMS New Delhi, says she could not even hug her kids when she returned home from duty.
When we came home after duty from hospital, we could not even hug our kids. We isolated ourselves and next day again leave for duty. The pandemic demanded that we sacrifice those emotions. This is the demand of this profession.
Words don't do justice to the virus. It is not a simple virus that afflicts and then disappears. This one is different. It has brought the world to its feet, but it has also brought humanity together. Naseem Naqvi, AIR News, New Delhi.